Welcome back to the Uprise, where we are rising up together for positive change. Thanks for stopping by the video. Today I wanted to talk about leaving your comfort zone and putting yourself out there. So this could be challenging for anybody, especially if you're shy. And if you are an anxious introvert. It can be difficult talking in front of a camera, let alone two. However, it can be really beneficial to work through some of the stuff you're going through. Yeah, see what's going on here? So, putting yourself outside of your comfort zone is difficult. It really is a mental challenge, but it is achievable. I think taking the opportunity as much as you can to put yourself outside of your comfort zone will really build your self-confidence up. There was this swimming hole that we always visited as a kid when we lived in this certain town. Now we lived there, for X amount of time only. However, we would always visit this swim hole, and it was luckily summertime. So there was this deep end and a shallow end, and I would always hang out at the shallow end because I didn't want to go swimming in the deep end. Little kid. Nervous about water and stuff. But I remember seeing everybody jump off the edge on the deep end over there, and they were having a lot of fun. But it was super nerve-wracking because not my comfort zone. I didn't want to do that. I didn't feel comfortable doing that. So, one day, we were actually there at the swim hole when we shouldn't have been. And we kind of got busted. And I remember my dad's way over there, and he's hollering at us, and he's upset. Like, what are you guys doing over here? You're not supposed to be over here. And I was actually on the other side, over at the deep end, and I had been standing there for like 5 minutes, trying to just jump in. I was so nervous, so scared to do it, and I'd gotten down a couple times. I didn't want to do it. I kept going back to my comfort zone. Well, finally, the last time, I was standing there when he saw us, when he found out where we were, and I remember going, oh crap. I'm in trouble with Dad, and I'm stuck here on this ledge. So I just jumped in. I had molded over so much at that point that I just had enough and decided I'm just gonna go for it. I jumped in and was fine, obviously. Still here. And it was fun and nerve-wracking and a real benefit to my self-confidence at that point. Now, not keeping in practice with that, I've began to realize that I need to kind of push myself out there a little bit more, and this new venture is something of a great experience where I can do that, and I encourage you to do the same. Keep taking the opportunity to put yourself out there and gain that self-confidence from it, and it'll help you grow and it'll help you achieve the things you want. When we put ourselves out there, honestly, no real harm can come from it, other than our feelings of embarrassment or judgment from others, when really those are just feelings, and we can work through that, because who cares what anybody else thinks? Honestly, we don't need to live our lives based on what other people think. Anyway, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Subscribe, slap that bell icon, hit the like button, and leave a comment. I want to know your thoughts and feelings, your opinions on this subject. Let's connect, let's talk about it, let's keep this thing going. You can reach me also on Twitter at Peasant Uprising and on Instagram at Peasant_Uprising_. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, we were going to talk about leaving your comfort zone. Okay. Ugh.